Hello everybody, today we are going to discuss that how GitHub Classroom that are used for managing and completing the assignments. We have created relational database using MySQL Classroom in GitHub, and if the student get the assignment, how the student will set up for the first time and how they will complete their assignment on GitHub Classroom. So we are briefly going to describe this. Uh, this is here we are going to study that how GitHub and its SQL assignment could be cloned and pushed to the professors where they will check it and will provide their feedback. So the student guide for this one is that initially the student should have to fulfill these prerequisites. They should have GitHub account, MySQL server and workbench, or MySQL shell should be installed with them, and Git should be downloaded and configured. Uh, GitHub account is used for GitHub Classroom, MySQL for completing the SQL assignments, MySQL assignments, and Git is used for cloning the assignments provided by the instructor. And there is some configuration for the first time and Git that you have to configure it with your name and the email address. It is very important to note that the email address should be the same as of your GitHub account. And then there is the cloning process, and once you clone it to your local directory, you have to complete the code in the MySQL Workbench or VS Code or MySQL Shell, and these are the steps that how you can do it. So we will see them shortly, and then you have to push the completed assignments to the library, stage, commit, and upload, and then you have to verify it. So actually it is a four-step process. The first step is the prerequisite one-time process, and cloning, dropping your code and pushing it to the GitHub library. That is important one. So this is how you have to get should be installed, and this is the cloning statement. For cloning you have to use the get clone, and then the address of the assignment that would have been shared by your professor with you, so you can clone it to your local directory within your computer. This is actually downloading. Cloning is downloading, and then you can check by listing all the when you use ls command, you can see that where your assignment is downloaded or not. You can see this from the list. So cloning, for the cloning we use get clone command, and then once you clone it, then you have to go to your that folder where that is there where it is downloaded. You have to drop that, and then you have to upload it. So for the upload, which is pushing, actually that is three-step process. Prepare using the get add command. You can see here that you should be on the same folder where you have cloned it. You will use get add command. This will prepare your assignment that you have completed, and then in the next stage you have to commit it, means save. So get commit command is used, so you are in the same folder assignment, basic SQL, and Rahman test user. This is the user on the GitHub. So get commit command is used, and after the committing you have to push it. So for the push you have to get push command. So get push command, these three commands are used for pushing. First you prepare it, then save, and then submit it. And this middle portion, which you can see that if you download or during the cloning, if you have not configured your username and your email address, in this state during the pushing it will ask you, but if you do it in advance it will not ask you again. So this is how it can work. Now let's see that how we can do this. So for the first time you must have the prerequisite. So let's see, you have the prerequisites. So I have MySQL workbench and shell, both are installed, and this will be used for the this is, I will connect it. So now my SQL workbench is already installed. I will use it for the assignment and GitHub account. So this is also a prerequisite. So I will go and check whether my GitHub account is there or not. So GitHub, in GitHub, yes, already this is my GitHub account, Rahman test user. So this is already my account is there, and I will check the this Git for cloning the assignment. So you have to go and check it. You can download it from here for the Windows user, for the Mac, for the Linux. So you can download it, and once you download it you can find it from here. I have already installed it. So git bash, this is used for cloning. So here we will be using the clone command to clone the library. Now let's see that the assignment would have been, the link for the assignment would have been shared to you by your instructor. And let me check if in my email if I have get it from my instructor or not. So let's go to my email and find it. Yeah, I have received the link from my professor, and this is the link. So I will click on this assignment link and it will take me to my GitHub classroom. And here for the first time it asked me to join the classroom, and this is my user, this is me. So I will click on my account and will accept the assignment. Oh, it asked me that there is uh, access issue. Maybe uh, the professor has set the date and time which is not yet open. So let me go and allow that first.